So this is my Arrma Fireteam, and I just put it in a servo. Now the stock one isn't too bad on this one. It's actually kind of decent as long as you program the endpoints. You can see my previous video on how to do that. Nothing wrong with this one, so I'll put that back, or I'll put that into the Outcast CXB because that one was fried. But this servo is by PowerHobby, and it's a 633 MCW, which is waterproof. And the stock ESC runs on 7.4 volts, or output 7.4 to the receiver. So at 7.4 volts, this is pulling 400 ounce per inch of torque. But what's crazy is the speed. So here, check this out. I mean, that, as fast as I can move the wheels, I mean, this thing is really fast, really nice. So I think that's a worthy upgrade. And the servo is only $60, so I think it's a pretty good servo. So there's that information for you if you guys are interested.